Avo mayo or mayocado? Here's a jar of mayonnaise made with avocado oil. This is the mayonnaise from Hunter and Gather, and it's made with avocado oil instead of other oils that commonly get used, such as rapeseed oil. And I think the reason rapeseed oil gets used quite often is because it doesn't have much of a taste. But this mayonnaise is definitely one for a taste. I would say it's one of the better mayonnaises that you can buy in a shop. It has stronger of that mayonnaise taste that comes from the egg yolk, but it's a little bit weaker on the vinegary, tarty, zingy side. So if you're looking for a mayonnaise that's more yolky, richy, creamy as opposed to tart, zingy and sharp, then these are definitely something that you should look out for. Interestingly, the fact that it uses avocado oil doesn't seem to leave an avocado taste. So it seems like the avocado oil doesn't have a strong avocado taste, and the taste of avocados comes from the rest of the avocado. So if you're looking for mayonnaise that had a taste of avocado, then this won't quite fulfill your avocado needs. But it is interesting that they managed to create this, and it is, again, I found to be very tasty, and I really like that yolky flavour. So this was good. It's great for the kind of taste that I'm looking for. How about for you? Whilst it doesn't have the avocado taste, if you do believe that avocado oil is healthier for you, then you'd be getting a mayonnaise which is just healthier for you, and that's not a bad thing. In terms of the ingredients, there's only 4 ingredients in there: avocado oil, free-range pasteurized egg yolk, Himalayan sea salt, and filtered apple cider vinegar. And that got me thinking about what other ingredients go into other mayonnaises that you can buy in the shops. So I thought I'd do a little comparison here. The ones I thought I'd compare here are Hellmann's, Heinz, Essential Waitrose extra virgin olive oil, Waitrose Dutch Organic, Sainsbury's Basic, Sainsbury's Thick and Creamy, Sainsbury's French Style, Sainsbury's Taste the Difference, and Sainsbury's Organic. And the branded ones like Tracament, Biona, Stokes, Harvey Nicks, The Bay Tree, De Louis, and Tiptree. And I thought, as a control, I would also list out the ingredients for a homemade mayonnaise. This one is courtesy of the man himself, Gordon Ramsay: oil, egg yolk, water, vinegar, mustard seed, lemon juice, salt, pepper. From the ingredients list there, you'll see that it's only the Sainsbury's Organic and the Waitrose Organic ones which have an ingredient list that is as short as the Hunter and Gather avocado mayonnaise. Part of the reason for that is because of the fact that none of them uses mustard, and just by adding mustard, you're inherently adding more ingredients in there. But it is interesting to see the kind of ingredients that go into the Sainsbury's Basic, the Hellmann's, and the Heinz. And I'm not here to discuss the health impacts of consuming the other ingredients that are in those. But the question is, why do they need to be in there when you don't need them to be in there to make mayonnaise? What are they doing in there, and why is that necessary? And then what kind of an impact that would have on our body if we do eat them. Next time, one thing that would be interesting for you to check out yourselves would be to see how long the store lives of these different mayonnaises are, and then comparing that with the ingredients that goes inside. I'm not here to stress the fact that these things are unhealthy for you and I just don't want you to eat them. There are lots of other channels that do that. I'm just here because I want everyone to think about why those things need to be in there. Flavorings and antioxidants. What would you think if you bought an apple and the ingredients list for the apple was apples and flavoring? Why does flavoring need to be in there? What is it doing? Back to this one. This one's just got those 4 things, and it's just a really interesting idea, the fact that they managed to do it with an avocado oil, and not what some other companies have done, which is they add a little bit of avocado oil with the rest of it. This is just purely avocado oil and then yolk, salt, and vinegar. And again, to summarize the taste, it has a stronger egg yolky taste and less of the vinegar taste. So if you're looking for a nice, rich, creamy one and a less tangy, zingy one, then thank you very much. I hope you found that interesting, finding out about a new mayonnaise that's out there that's made of just avocado oil, and thinking about what ingredients go into a lot of the mayonnaise that we just buy and not really think about it, nor look at the ingredients. Stay tuned to the other products that I find interesting and letting you guys know about it, the cost analysis of different foods that we all just buy, reviews and comparisons of the different foods that we can buy from the shops, but how they differ depending on where you get it from. And then where you should go depending on what your personal tastes are. Comment if there's another product that you think is a very interesting one and you would like to see a review of, or just for more people to know about. Let your friend know who loves their mayonnaise, who loves their avocado, or hate other ingredients that go into foods. Thank you very much and have a tasty day.